putting this 289 engine in the 66 Ford Fairlane today. Just had it rebuilt. Had transmission rebuilt. It's automatic transmission. See how it goes.
Our plan is, and these pads are here, you don't want to, if we come to wrenches or anything, you don't want to really bang them down and just kind of be gentle. Once we get this up and clear here, the motor, we'll turn the motor and it'll come this way. And I'm going to start jacking this. This will end up coming this way, and this engine will end up tranny way down. But once we scoot this in and start going down on an angle and clear this, I'll start adjusting this to where back in we can come up. That transmission mount, see those two little holes?
Yeah.
That's where those end up going.
Yeah.
Now I just have that transmission, the bolts temporary on the side right now. It'll actually rock. We'll deal with that once we get close. The tranny's not bad if you got a lift, because you can put it up and get up, but without it, stand back, I'm gonna lower the motor a little bit.
Okay,
I think that's gonna fit.
it's sitting on that thing now.
Yeah, it locks down into that
The bottom of that metal sits on that like that, go right in there.
zip.
Huh?
Not quite zip.
Shake it.
Yep, zip to doodah.
Alright. Well, we got her in.
I tell you,
There
that
she
was
is.
it was a pretty good trick. There's no question about it.
Yeah. Looks pretty good.
I mean, really.
Yeah. Only took us.
For a while, I didn't know if we was gonna get it.
Yeah, I could see to a certain point that you were going to do it. I could see it.
Only took us 2 hours. Not bad.
Sweet. We're gonna play the lottery tonight. Hey, look at this. That's crap that come out of the lines of that. So that's why I'm gonna put a new line. I can do it for $30.
Gee whiz, it hardened up in there too, didn't it?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
There's the next project.
Huh?
What year is your truck?
56.
56.
Ford F-100.
351 Cleveland.
What year did you say?
56.
Probably.